Hey, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you another delicious, easy, family-friendly weeknight dinner using some really simple ingredients you can find at any grocery store. If you like the egg rolls that you get from Asian food restaurants, but you don't love that they're fried and you really just want the flavor, this recipe is for you. This is egg roll in a bowl. All you need for your egg roll in a bowl is some mushrooms, some slaw mix. I like the one that has shredded carrots in it, but you could also shred some carrots alongside if you wanted to. Some green onions, a white onion, some ginger and garlic, but you can also use dried ginger as well. For seasonings, you're gonna want a little bit of sesame oil to cook in, some coconut aminos or soy sauce, a splash of rice vinegar if you have it, and some sort of a meat or a protein. I'm using grass-fed ground beef, but you could also use a plant protein as well. Gather your ingredients and let's go ahead and get cooking. As usual, we're gonna start with our mise en place, starting by slicing up some onions as well as some mushrooms. Nice and thin, you just want them even. Then I'm gonna go ahead and press some garlic, 2 big cloves, get it all out of the press. And then I'm gonna slice up some green onions as well. I'm gonna add a drizzle of olive oil into the pan on medium-high heat and add that beef. Then I'm gonna use my spatula to break the beef up. Don't forget to season it. I like adding some dried ginger too. This is optional, but I find it adds some really good flavor. Once that is all almost cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and drain the meat. I like putting it into a bowl and then straining it. I'm gonna add a splash of sesame oil and then cook those onions and those mushrooms that I chopped up. I'm just gonna saute them up until they're starting to turn soft. To that, I'm gonna add the garlic and some grated ginger. Mix it all up again. Get that garlic and ginger slightly cooked, and then I'm gonna add the slaw mix. I like using a pre-chopped slaw mix just so it is that much simpler. I'm all about bringing more ease into the kitchen. Just let that wilt down until the cabbage and the carrots are starting to soften. Once it looks all nice and soft, it's gonna wilt down quite a bit. I like adding that drained beef. Mix it all up. And mix some more. And then I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of coconut aminos. You could also use tamari for this or soy sauce, but it's gonna be a little bit saltier. I'm adding the green onions and a splash of rice vinegar. Mix it all up one last time. Don't forget to give it a taste. So good. And there you have it, another delicious, easy, weeknight, family-friendly recipe. If you want more videos like this and more recipes like this, be sure to subscribe down below. Hit the like button. Let me know you like recipes like this. Let me know if you try it. The recipe is at the link in my bio, and I will see you again next week for more delicious recipes. Until then, have a beautifully balanced week. So good.